better Nigeria.
Guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, we're going to bring you something exciting to you today. It's no longer news. We're talking about Peter Obi. I just stumbled on Twitter that they're going to be having a 2 million man march for Peter Obi in the city of PortHarcourt. Yeah, quite a number. You know, it's no longer news that I'll be doing 1 million across different states in Nigeria for the presidential aspirant of the Labour Party. I'm talking about Peter Obi. But PortHarcourt came up with a double-digit number, 2 million. 2 million march, and this event is going to be taking place on the 27th of August, being a Saturday. So they're actually calling on everyone in the city of PortHarcourt to come out on that day to have this 2 million march for Peter Obi. And the takeoff point for this campaign is going to be at Oil Mill, and they are going to bring it to an end at the Isaac Borough Park in PortHarcourt City. Yes, we just saw that online. So we said, let's talk about it. What is your thought about this million march that they are doing for the presidential aspirant of the Labour Party? What is your thought about it? What's the idea about it? Do let us know. And it's no longer news that for every place he visits, there's always a chant of the youth all around the building, all around the place, for him as a presidential candidate. So he's one of the most talked about presidential candidates currently in Nigeria. So guys, let's get your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this? And if you are a resident in PortHarcourt, are you going to be there? Are you going to be present for this march? So if you are a returning subscriber seeing this video, thank you very much. And if you are seeing our video for the first time, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Yes, we are going to be following this trail till the very day this march is going to hold, so that we'll give you all the updates and everything that will go down on that day. So keep it locked down on this channel. If you have not subscribed again, please do well to click the subscribe button so you follow through till the end. Thank you very much, guys. We'll be giving you all the updates as it goes. Catch you in our next video. Bye.